Today's video we're going to talk about my streaming setup, what kind of gear I have, what it's gonna cost, and what I can recommend to you guys maybe just starting up or want to upgrade. So if this interesting for you, let's go to the video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the webcam. I'm using a webcam Logitech C922 and ProStream. This is a bit newer one. I know it's starting to be real old, that webcam, but it's still working really great, and I know a lot of people actually using it. It costs between $80 to $100 in 2022 in Sweden though. Depends of course if you find something lower, but it's a really good advice to buy from a starting point. So if you want to start streaming or doing YouTube and want a cheap and really good webcam, then I can really recommend this. The second thing I can really recommend is upgrading the audio, the microphone. Of course you can do the headset microphone, is totally fine if you want to save up some money, but if you want to really upgrade your sound, I can really recommend a HyperX Quadcast microphone. It's an USB microphone and condenser microphone, so it's really great. Have it mine for a while now and I love it, and it's kind of okay pricing for this part. It's like $80 to $100 also, and I can really recommend for you guys who want to upgrade your microphone to buy one of these. So 100% worth it. The third thing we're going to talk about is the boom arm. It's not a necessity to have as a starting up content creator or streamer, but it's something that you want to have because it's so much easier, especially if you bought a microphone or USB microphone. You don't really want to have it on the table, vibrations and other stuff. So I can really recommend you buying a boom arm. Mine is costing $100, but you don't need to pay that. You can pay between $20 to $30 maybe for a cheaper one, and they work fine. So I can really recommend you guys investing in a boom arm, but it's not a necessity. Fourth thing is actually monitors. I know a lot of people have one monitor, and that's totally fine if you start streaming YouTube, but I can really recommend you guys going for one more monitor if you have the money for it, because it's going to be so much easier to edit doing your OBS studio for streaming and other stuff in what you need to do in your work as a streamer or YouTuber. So I can really recommend buying a secondary monitor. It doesn't need to be a fancy one, just have something cheaper to start out with. But if you have some money and you want to invest really in it, go mayhem. The fifth thing is actually light. Depends, of course, these are not in order really, what is most important stuff. So you guys know about that. It's up to you guys to decide that. That is light. Light, it's a necessity 100%. Can improve all webcams to 100% easy, especially with some filters and stuff like that. But what the light do, it's really popping out what needs to pop out, so you actually get those shadows you need, and it depends on how you want to set it up, of course, but light is amazing. So I have an Elgato key light. It's worth between $150 to $200. It's on the expensive side. I can actually recommend it, but if you're starting out, maybe you can find other solutions to this, so you actually can save some money on this. It's totally fine to have lit in the roof or find a desk lamp or something to light up your stream or YouTube video. We have some more stuff, and that can be a camera stand. Example, it can be a pop filter for the microphone. It can be other stuff that can help you have more quality stream or sounding stream. For example, I have a camera stand from my girlfriend's camera, and just because of that, maybe costing between $10 to $30, depends on what kind you want. You don't need to go mayhem on this, but just have something that you can mount your camera on and move it around. You can high it, lower it, and do all stuff with. And the last thing I'm using is actually a pop filter for my HyperX Quadcast. The pop filter in the HyperX Quadcast was not really amazing, I thought. So I actually invested in one, a cheaper one that fits the HyperX really nice actually. I'm using the t.Bone MS60. It's cost between $10-14. It depends of course where you find it. And I can really recommend it. It's look nice on the microphone, and why not? If you have money over and you have problem with like breathing in your microphone, maybe that's the thing for you. So what does everything cost? The Logitech, the HyperX Quadcast, the Röde boom arm, the pop filter, the Elgato, maybe the camera stand, and even maybe take one more monitor. What do this cost? With the monitor, I could say like maybe $600. Of course, it feels like it's expensive, but a lot of these parts I use, it's nice value actually. And if you really want to invest in your stream on YouTube, maybe this is the way to go. All these parts is really good for beginners. Take it part by part. You don't need to buy everything at 1 month. Just let stream pay for it, have a goal with it, invest some money in it, buy a webcam, HyperX Quadcast, take part by part. This is like, I've streamed from Twitch for 2 years, and all these parts is over 2 years, so don't rush with it. That was everything I had. So this video helped you in any way, like it, give me a comment down below what do you think, and what have you any advice, and of course push on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my streaming tutorials videos in the future. So that was everything from me, and MaDRock out. Take care. Bye bye.